Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. For today's video, we are going to be making crescent dough turnovers. I thought this would be a fun recipe because one, it's super easy, two, you can do a whole bunch of different fillings, and three, something that I can eat that makes me feel better, especially when I'm sick. So let's get started. Here we have our ingredients: cinnamon powder, Nutella, around 1/4 cup of brown sugar, diced banana, diced apples, and canned blueberries, Pillsbury dough, 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper. For our first step, we're going to prepare our dough. And so we have our 2 cans of Pillsbury crescent rolls. And then we're going to lay out each sheet and make sure you have washed your table. And then we're going to pinch the seams together. And then we're going to cut our rectangles once down that middle. And then again to make 4 of our separate. Do this to each dough. And you can make as many as you want, and these are mostly like small party favors or like little desserts they can make. And then I'm gonna flip mine over and pinch them on the other side. Just to make sure that they're fully closed, because we don't want these bursting in the oven. And so now that we have our 8 rectangles, we're going to cut each one of them down the middle, so we get 2 squares basically. And if I'm doing my math correct, that should make 16 individual rectangles, or squares I should say. Okay, so now that we have our squares, we have our fillings to the side. We have our apples, blueberry, banana, brown sugar, Nutella, and cinnamon. I have baking sheets lined with our parchment paper on the sides, ready to use. And what we're going to do is that we're going to simply take some of our base layer, which is like going to be like our Nutella and our sugar and our like cinnamon stuff. We're going to put that at the bottom of each, and then we're going to put our fillings on top of it, or our fruits, I guess you can say, which is going to be our apples, our blueberries, and our bananas. I'm going to start by making our Nutella and banana turnovers. I'm going to take a tablespoon or so of our Nutella, and then spread it out on our dough. And make sure that our dough is warm and not too cold, because then our Nutella will stick. And it'll make it hard for it to spread. And then we're leaving a sizable gap around the edges. Fold it over and pinch it later. And then we can take some of our bananas and fill the center, being mindful not to overfill it. We're going to take our fork in our hands, and we're going to turn our turnovers onto it, so. And then lining up the dough to itself, and then pinching it shut. And so we're basically making a triangle. And then we're going to take our fork and we're going to crimp the sides just so it doesn't open while it's in the oven. You just gotta pinch the sides almost, get it nice and spread out. And make sure that your corners are fully closed. And then make sure that your tops or the little creases / edges aren't open on the bottom to the top. It looks good. And you're just basically making a triangle. And that's one of our turnovers. And then at the end, we're going to poke holes on the top of our turnovers, just so they don't explode in the oven. And so I'm going to go through all of our dough. We're going to alternate with Nutella, blueberries, our brown sugar, and our apples, and our Nutella, and our banana. And we're just going to go through and finish all these turnovers. And here are our finished turnovers, and I shaped them, and I filled them with a filling. And so then I put holes on the top for ventilation so they don't explode in the oven. And these are going to go into a preheated oven, which is at 375 degrees. And these will go in for around 10 to 15 minutes. And here are our finished turnovers. Thank you guys for joining me in another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!